Cooking while camping. So I have this camp stove. It's called an MSR Dragonfly. And it takes white gas in this little refillable propane container to pump it, to pressurize it. So I'm just giving it some good pressure. Make sure this is closed or all the way open. And then you just let a little bit of fuel out. And then this is where you gotta be careful because you could lose an eyebrow. It's burning off all of that extra liquid. Oh, it comes out as a liquid when the metal's cold, but you want it to come out as a gas. And that's what we want. That's the blue flame that we want. This has been a really
humbling experience. Like, I said I wanted to hike. I said I wanted to camp. These are things like I wanted to do, but didn't know for certain if I was going to be able to experience it here in Hawaii. But everything worked out the way it was supposed to. And to only have been here 2 weeks and been able to do a lot of things that I would consider on my bucket list has been just like mind-blowing. But like even just like camping, it's just been really like humbling. Like, you know, I have a very clear idea of what minimalistic is, but when you're camping, it's a whole nother level. Like you really understand what minimalism is. Like only being able to take the things that you need, like necessities, not your wants. Because for 2.5 seconds, I was really about to like pack some makeup because I knew like one day we were for sure going to go out. And I'm just like, no, like that's just taking up unnecessary space. And it's like, I repacked, I swear to God, probably like 5 times. But like to only take the things that you need, which oftentimes is not much. So like that was humbling, and it was just like, but also freeing at the same time. Like only to have the things you need. So just the experience of not expecting luxury in those moments and just going with the flow